Ribandar Health Care Committee today met the Honorable Chief Minister, and we have impressed upon him the need to set up a full-fledged health center at the old Ribandar Hospital. The Honorable Chief Minister was very considerate on this issue. He has said that he has been already also briefed by the MLA, and he has already told the MLA also that this will happen. Now we have requested him to start with that healthcare center being set up at Ribandar be on the lines of the Sankeling Community Health Center, which provides all the basic facilities, and then step by step that hospital can emerge as a full-fledged hospital. We understand that government has financial constraints, but we have explained to the Chief Minister that where health is concerned, financial crunch cannot be an excuse. So the Chief Minister is really keen on setting it up, and he has promised us that 24/7 casualty unit will happen soon at the Ribandar Hospital. So he's also going to visit the place himself, and I'm sure that the Chief Minister is fully seized of this, and that he, in conjunction with the Health Minister and our local MLA, will all work together to see that this health center becomes a reality.
As far as that health center is concerned, कित्याक तुमी त्याच कॉजाक तो त्याच कॉजाक डिफरन्सिएशन नासतना सेम थिंग कितें करपाक जाय म्हणटा
डिफरन्सिएशन काय ना, पूण डेफिनेटली तेणें मूव केला. आतां पयलीं एक्चुली डे डिस्पेन्सरी आसलो. आमी डे डिस्पेन्सरीचो पयलो एक्सपिरियन्स 2 फावटी घेतलेलो आसा. आमचो डिमांड इतलो आसलो की डे डिस्पेन्सरी नाका, इट इज फूल फ्लेज हॉस्पिटल असो न्ही म्हणून. सो तो ताणें मान्य केलो. ही इज गोईंग फॉरवर्ड विथ दॅट. वी आर हॅपी.
ओके.
इनिशियली तो डिस्पेन्सरी करूंक शकता 24 hours. मागीर उपरांत हॉस्पिटल गेलो हॅपी
ना आतां
No,
सांगलें
see, what was originally proposed was a day dispensary, and when we came to know that it is a day dispensary, we immediately approached the authorities and said that we would strongly oppose a day dispensary, because a day dispensary was already tried twice in Ribandar and it has failed. So what we have demanded, and we stand by our demand, that it should be a full-fledged health center at the old Ribandar Hospital, which will eventually, step by step, the other medical facilities will come in, and it will be a full-fledged hospital.